In this video, I'll show you where to find promo codes for Trainline. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it if you do. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, so for this demonstration, I'm going to be using Google. Now in the Google search box, I'm going to type in Trainline promo code. Once I've done that, I'm going to click search, and then I'll be brought to a list of Google search results. So we can see some third-party sites offering Trainline promo code. So we got 61% off here at voucher.discount, vouchercodes.co.uk 5%, Groupon, etc. But one I like to use is worththepenny.com, 61 off Trainline promo codes. So now, as you can see, I'm inside their website, and they've got a today's best offer, which is verified, and you can see other stats. 94 people have used this and 86% success rate. These codes do change daily or weekly, so be sure to check this site out at later dates and times for different discounts and even better promo code deals potentially. And now to activate this code, simply click into it, and now it's gonna give a little pop-up here, and click on copy to click the copy the code. Click copy, and now paste this code at the checkout section of Trainline to enjoy your 30% off your ticket.